Don't be shy, partner. No such stranger here.
Hey, mister.
Well, you look like you need to take a load off.
Well, ain't this a rare treat? Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming? I'd have fixed myself up nice.
Oh, now you know you look perfect, princess.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. Now, we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff we've been saving.
It's decided then. I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle. Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on.
Why the sudden hospitality, mister? You don't know me.
Well, that's why you're here, ain't it, partner? Every stranger is a new friend waiting to happen, I say.
Right.
I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Not sure why you want me to fetch your woman for you.
Hunger's just getting the better of me, partner, and I figured it'd give you a chance to check out the place. Well, just go hurry her up.
Look, I'm sure she'll be down in a minute.
Oh, you don't know her like I do. Married to that mirror, that one.
Well, look who it is. You are hungry, ain't you?
No. I think I just lost my appetite.
It's all right. Looking ain't a crime. You go on and have a seat at the table. I'll be down in a minute.
You should be careful, miss. Inviting strangers into your home like this?
Oh, I'm a very good judge of character. I see the look in your eye. Hey, slow it down there. Plenty of time for that.
She'll, be down in just a minute.
Woohoo! That is what I like to hear. Hey, now pull up a chair, partner. Oh, hey!
Hey!
Wait, this just about perfect. One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Then look at us, like a couple of old friends. It's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixings. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different.
That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
But we still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a hog killing time.
Here, that's for you.
Yeah.
There.
Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
Whew. That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come.
What the hell is that?
That's an old Aberdeen home recipe. That one right there is in 1894.
Feels like someone's stabbing me in the head.
Come on, I thought I had a man here, not a boy. One more, and you and I both will go upstairs and have a lie down.
What the hell?
Oh, about time. I take whatever cash he has on and put it behind Mama.
What the hell just happened? Oh! Oh! Who the... Whoa! What the hell? Those crazy sons of bitches got some explaining to do.
You ain't... Down, boy. Oh, my God. Down, boy. Oh, my God.
Shit!
Stop it! Wait! Ray! No! You animal!
Listen, is it okay if I rob you?
You're gonna pay, you bastard! I loved him like a husband! I'm gonna bleed you dry! Where are you taking
We're going
me?
for a ride. Hey, lady.
Let me go, you son of a bitch! Where the hell are you taking me? No! What are you doing? No! Please, no! Please, I'm sorry. Not here. Mama!